Okay, here we go, guys. It's our old friend, the HR diagram, Hertzsprung-Russell diagram. Let's have a look and see if we can answer this question. Okay, I'll be honest with you, this is a nice one. I think this is just going to be, this has been chucked in to test some basic understanding of Hertzsprung-Russell. Okay, 3 statements. We've saying that star X is all 3 things: hotter, larger radius, and more luminous. Now, 2 of those statements I think are fairly straightforward, 1 maybe less so. Let's go one by one. We'll take the temperature. Now, the temperature is a little bit confusing, I suppose, because on the x-axis here we've got temperature, and normally you would be tempted to say that y has a higher temperature. However, you should be aware that higher temperatures are plotted on the left-hand side of this graph. I'll be honest, I don't know why that is. I probably should. Okay, so we've got surface temperature. It goes up from right to left here, which means that x indeed has got a higher temperature. Now, what that means, I can get rid of c, because c is saying that 1 is not true. 1 is definitely true. Radius is an interesting one. I don't know if many students know this, but you can draw lines like this, rough lines like this, which kind of relate the radii to our planets. Again, you can see here that x has got a higher radius than y. So in that case, I can get rid of b because it's saying that 2 is not true. We're then left with a and d, and we want to see if a or d is true. Now, notice here we've got luminosity on our y-axis. Well, clearly x has a greater luminosity because it's higher up on the y-axis, and therefore all 3 of them are true. That's nice, isn't it? Nice positive end to the paper. The answer here is D.